Bitcoin bouncing today, but still on pace for its third straight week of losses. That's the longest such streak since September. And since then, the cryptocurrency has been stuck basically in Bitcoin purgatory. It's a place of lower highs and false hopes and mindless tweets of the Coinbase platform with silly arrows drawn. It's a tough place to be, but unfortunately, it's where many crypto investors find themselves of late. Now, Bitcoin has been mostly trading between 10,000 and just above 11,000, and it hasn't been able to break out. Plus, even with today's rally, the cryptocurrency is still down about 45% from the highs it made in December, when it was just a stone's throw away from hitting 20,000. So could this be a sign that Bitcoin fever is fading?
That was some dramatic music, too, Brian.
That was very dramatic.
Did that have you?
No, absolutely
emotional?
So here's from my perspective, here's what's going on. You've had a lot of fear, a lot of FUD is what the kids call it, fear, uncertainty, and doubt about what's going on with the regulatory environment in Asia. So you've seen Korea crack down on some of the exchanges, or at least start to regulate them. China is effectively, it's great.
Not laughing at you, Brian.
No, that's fine. China is effectively done in banning Bitcoin. But the key to remember here is that there's a handoff going from the retail Asian investor to the U.S., European, and Japanese institutional investor, and that money is still coming in. That money has not stopped. So, when we talk about Bitcoin up at 20,000, everybody's all excited, running around how great it is. Those are the times to be a little cautious. Now, when everybody's saying, "Oh my God, it's over, that's it, Bitcoin's dead" for the 175th time, now's the time you start looking at it on the buy side.
What makes you?
I really agree with him, man. I mean, he brings a great point. There's a lot of things in fast money I don't agree with, but I feel like this is the time. We have been stuck in crypto purgatory, and the market has been pretty stagnant, and we've been bouncing back and forth between 10,000 and 11,000, but they make a great point where the institutional investors have not been able to move into this market. And that's why they're setting up these regulations. And obviously people are getting spooked out, but regulation is good for the market. And if it does allow these Japanese and American institutional investors to come in, this market cap of 550 billion will easily double. So I'm very bullish on cryptocurrencies. I think the market correction was kind of needed because it was a little overpriced and overhyped, but I mean, basically now a bunch of companies are being regulated, and it's going to just bring more and more money into the crypto space. And on another note, it's the altcoins, Stellar and Neo, making great gains. So it's just not Bitcoin that you should be following. I mean, there's other great projects on there that will also grow and benefit from the growth of the ecosystem. So, it has been terrible that our cryptocurrency market has basically been dead for almost a month. January has just been a terrible month, but I think there's a light at the end of the tunnel. And if you do hold, or like I said, if you haven't bought in yet, I still think it's a great time to buy. I think there's going to be a lot of growth in 2018. If you are watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and give me your comments. Same if you're watching this on Facebook. Let me know what you guys think. I think the feedback from the community has been great, so please keep that up, and I'll talk to you guys soon.